Hi, my name is Howard Boder and I'm a chemical engineer and the director of Newland Control UK, a consultancy based in the UK and Netherlands. I'd like to tell you about our latest technology course presented in conjunction with Fleming. Data science is a relatively new technology that will bring significant benefits to chemical plant process operation. Many plants have large amounts of data that they've been gathering for many years, but they don't know how to extract useful information from the data that can then be used to improve the many aspects of their operation. This course will teach you what this new area of data science is all about, why it's becoming such a popular topic with the emergence of a new group of technicians called data scientists. However, the course will appeal to all engineers and management.
Hello, my name is Dr. Nora Moldovanyi. I'm also a chemical engineer who is working in this exciting area of process data analytics. The course includes an overview of existing technology, covering the major packages, and then a deeper dive into using process analytics and how to calculate benefits. We will cover some important techniques such as statistical process control and soft sensors, and how to use big data to optimize process operation, process monitoring, and maintenance. Some of the practicals will use a package called SEEK for process analytics. We also include an introduction of Python, which is very useful for AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning.
We're sure this will be an interesting course which will appeal to all engineers and give you practical skills that you can apply to your process plants. We look forward to welcoming you to our training course.